Congratulations on your new RockerTech Bliss massage chair. This will make a great addition to your home for years to come. This chair has many features used to massage and elevate your body. In this video, we're going to go over the remote and operation of the RockerTech Bliss massage chair, so that you can get the most from your chair. This video will be broken up into different segments. Part 1, the layout of the in-use screen and of the face buttons on the remote. Part 2, auto programs. Part 3, creating a manual massage. This includes setting the manual program, mode, and position, as well as setting the airbags. Part 4, the built-in Soothe Me nature sounds. Part 5, the settings menu. Part 6, connecting a Bluetooth phone to your chair. Starting with Part 1, the remote has a large screen that displays the current programs and levels. This screen will either display the menu system of the chair or the in-use screen. The in-use screen displays the current massage program, the time remaining on the massage, the current technique, the airbag regions, the roller position, and reflexology roller indicator, massage intensity, roller speed, and airbag strength. Below the screen are the buttons used to control your massage chair. Starting at the top is the power button. This turns the chair on or off. Next is the pause button. This will pause the current program. It is worth noting the pause button doesn't reset the chair's position, just pause the chair where it is in its current program. Below this is the navigation buttons. These will be used to navigate the home menu and adjust the shoulder position when a program is started up. In the center of the navigation button is the OK button. This is used to confirm selections in the menu. Next is the home button. This will bring up the home menu. Beside this is the zero gravity button. This will cycle between the chair's two zero gravity positions and the upright position. The next is the timer. This will cycle through the length of time remaining on the current massage. The timer button can also be used to extend your massage. For example, if you have 5 minutes left on your massage, hitting the timer button, you can bring this up to 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30 minutes. Underneath the home menu button is the foot rollers button. This will turn the foot rollers on or off. Adjacent to that is the width adjustment button. This will toggle the back mechanism's width, either wide, medium, or narrow. And then there is the heat button that will turn the heat on or off. The last set of buttons on the remote are the chair position adjustment buttons. These are the footrest angle adjustment buttons. This will move the footrest either up or down, and the backrest angle adjustment button. This will incline or decline the chair. Part 2, auto programs. When the massage chair is on, pressing the home button will bring up the home menu. The home menu consists of selectable auto programs, the manual program options, air massage, Soothe Me sounds, and additional settings. To choose a pre-selected auto program, select auto programs. Here, there are professionally designed massage programs built into your chair. Depending on what you desire, or what your pain points are, choose from Quick, which is a rapid demonstration of all massage techniques and chair motions, Deep Tissue, the most intense of the massage programs. The strong kneading and shiatsu massage effectively decompresses the entire body, Neck and Shoulder, which is a sequence of neck, shoulder, and upper back massage techniques, Waist and Hips. This targets the lower back, buttocks, and feet with kneading and tapping, Stretching. Yoga-like stretching motions grab and hold and gently extend the body, while deep shiatsu massage helps to boost the vitality of muscles. Shape and Tone, which is a total body relaxation with shiatsu and rolling massage techniques, and air cell massage. Sweet Dreams, this is the lowest intensity massage. Tapping techniques soothe and unwind the body. And Relax programs, featuring slow kneading. This massage relaxes muscles, improves circulation, and aids in recovery. Selecting a program will start the program. On the in-use screen, the name of the selected auto program will be at the top of the screen, and the remaining time will be in the top right corner. Part 3, manual massage programs. Press the menu button on the remote control. Select manual program from the menu display. Then use the up and down buttons to navigate among mode, position, width, speed, and foot rollers. Select mode, then use the up or down buttons to select your desired massage technique, either kneading, knocking, tapping, kneading and knocking, Swedish, or shiatsu. Once the desired technique is selected, navigate to position in the manual program screen. Here there are 3 options: There's full body, which will travel the entire length of the massage track, partial, which will travel a few inches above and below the current position, and point. Point stops the massage mechanism in the current position and will focus on just that spot. Partial and point's location can be fine-tuned using the arrow up and arrow down buttons while in the in-use screen. Next, let's navigate to width. If you select width, you can use the up or down buttons to select your desired roller width, wide, medium, or narrow. Press OK to select width. Massage width only works with tapping, knocking, and shiatsu techniques. Alternatively, use the massage width button on the remote to cycle through the 3 width settings. Speed can be adjusted in the manual menu display. Then use the up or down button to select your desired speed, with 1 being the slowest and 5 being the fastest. Press OK to select the speed setting. Massage speed can only be adjusted while in manual mode. Then the up or down buttons can be used to adjust massage speed while in the in-use screen. Finally, in the manual menu screen is the speed control for the foot rollers. Selecting this will allow you to set the speed of the foot rollers, either slow, medium, or fast. Alternatively, the foot roller button on the remote control can be used to toggle the rollers on or off. Foot rollers will resume at the previously selected speed from the manual menu. Back to the home screen, select Air Massage from the home menu. Here you can select the air massage region and air intensity. Selecting region, you can select your desired airbag zones. There's either full body, shoulder, arms, leg, and feet. Press OK to select the region. To turn a particular airbag region off, reselect it to deactivate the activated region. Selecting full body will override any selections and all airbags will become active. After selecting intensity, then select your desired airbag intensity, with 1 being the lightest and 5 being the most intense. Part 4. Soothe Me Nature Sounds. Select Soothe Me Sounds from the menu display. Then use the up or down button to select your desired nature sound, either white noise, ocean surf, crickets, rain, nature, airplane, car ride, fireplace, thunderstorm, windy night, or just turn them off. Press OK to select the desired sound. Bluetooth must be enabled for the Soothe Me Nature Sounds to work. Part 5. Other settings. The last option in the home menu is the settings menu. Here there are options for timer, beep, Bluetooth, volume, voice demo, sleep mode, and language. Time can be used to select the desired length of massage, either 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30 minutes. Alternatively, you can use the timer button on the remote to add time. Each press of the button will add 5 minutes to the timer. The maximum timer is 30 minutes. Beeps can be used to turn on or off the beep noise that the remote makes whenever an input is given. Your massage chair includes Bluetooth compatibility, so you can play and enjoy your favorite media from a Bluetooth-enabled device. To enable Bluetooth connectivity, navigate to Bluetooth. Press the right button, and then use the up or down arrows to select your desired Bluetooth setting, either on or off. Press OK to select the Bluetooth setting. We'll go over how to pair a Bluetooth device with your chair later in the video. Volume can be used to set the volume of the chair, with 1 being the quietest and 5 being the loudest. And voice demo can be used to turn the chair's voice demo on or off. When a quick program is playing and voice demo is enabled, this will run the quick program with a voice-guided walkthrough. This is good for a first-time user of the chair to become familiar with all of the features. Sleep mode, if turned on, will keep the chair in a reclined position after the program is finished. If sleep mode is disabled, the chair will automatically return to the upright position. Then finally, you can change the language of the chair to either English or Chinese. Part 6. Bluetooth pairing. To connect your Bluetooth-enabled audio device, go into your audio device's settings. Navigate to Bluetooth settings and pair with a device named RockerTech with a series of numbers after that. The chair will beep when a connection is made. Thank you for purchasing your RockerTech Bliss massage chair.